Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to LVI Sabado and also our co-main event of the evening. It is Robo, Expriser and Gemello Fantastico Uno versus AJ and CJ Rivera, aka The Authority, versus Mr. Morgan and Rodriguez, I believe, is the other person. I think I got all their names right. Thank goodness that I got them right. Anyway, it is a triple threat tornado tag team match, so this is going to be wild!
Here comes trouble.
Make it double.
The following is a triple threat tag team match. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 394 pounds, the WWE Tag Team Champions, The Authority.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it.
Let's not forget that the Authority, they are the Tag Team Champions, but they also have the Sabado Cruiserweight Championship as well. Anyway, I just have to go off
The
commentary.
WWE Universe on their feet.
And at a combined weight of 402 pounds, the NXT Tag Team Champions, The Outsiders.
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match.
They are ready for a fight.
And at a combined weight of 404 pounds, the WWE Tag Team Champions and the Professional Wrestling Champions, the Megastars.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is going to be good. Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner and every opponent in this match.
Showing absolutely no mercy at all. What an onslaught. Dominating shoulder tackle. Escape just in time.
He's got something in store.
And there's the Uranagi. Landed them. He saw that one coming.
Oh, look at the knee strikes.
Just unloading knees to the body. You can see that each strike drained their opponent's energy. A powerbomb like that will leave you with bruises and remind you of this moment for days.
Corey, what's your best shot at winning in a no disqualification match?
You lean into the stipulation and leave no stone unturned. Use everything at your disposal to get the win. Otherwise, what's the point?
Man, just a multitude of strikes.
Knee right to the face. Nothing was being held back with each of them.
Poised and ready to strike.
And he's able to counter. Uh-oh. Right to the knee. Hammering away.
Every strike more devastating than the last.
He's getting a little battered now.
And a series of vicious stomps.
You gotta wonder if there's more animosity in this match than we previously thought. Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here. Just one right after the other can be stopped. And well-timed maneuver there. And you never want to count a competitor out, but there seems to be no signs of defense right now. Great counter. And the knee. Oh, looking to cripple the leg. Ooh, that hurt. of kicks. That'll stun you.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
Nicely done. Snap suplex.
So quick.
Wow. This is turning into Swanson Street.
And that one misses the mark. Oh, boy, he's stalking him. Watching for an opening. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up. How do you come back from that?
Strong suplex. Looking for it. Submission move.
Oh, there it is. It's in.
The cat crusher. Give. Ooh, that hurt.
And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold. Outright presentation of power there.
He's able to find enough grit to fight out of the hole. Crucial escape here. Uh-oh, cover here. And he stops the count. German suplex released. He switches it back around.
DDT. Oh, no. Driving down with the sledgehammer.
He's starting to struggle here.
Counter upon counter. Great minds thinking alike.
Power slam. I think we're about to see it.
Step through. Styles push. He thinks he has it. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the three.
Almost inhuman at this point. Looks like they're looking for it.
No! Forearm to the base of the skull.
You doing here, Corey?
The colossal clutch.
He's got it locked in.
He may not have a choice. Slipped right underneath, and just like that, he's out of the hold.
Kick to the gut.
Cracked a right into his neck breaker.
Textbook jumping close.
For the pin and the win!
Yes.
That could have been it right there.
Picture perfect drop kick.
Does he have him here? And he breaks up the pinfall.
Uncalculated risk.
And I have no doubt they're going to pay dearly for it.
That's gotta be it. Kick out before the count.
Surprised to not even get a 2 count at this point. Spear! That kind of move makes a statement. Cover! Put head scissors on.
Jumping knee strike. Lights out.
Picture perfect drop kick. Listen to this crowd. What a feeling.
And these superstars are feeling it too.
And that was a well-executed attack.
Oh, goodness. Who throws a bat? Honestly.
He has him right where he wants him.
Nothing quite like the phenomenal forearm.
He hit it.
Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over. Schoolboy pinning combination.
Oh, maybe not. Man, earth-shattering. Now this could be it. Cover for the win. No, 2 count. This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Buster.
He manages to escape it. Oh, he got him. Is he going to lock this in?
Remarkable power beam spear.
He's already spent.
Oh, this should have been. He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
Oh, what a save. That should have been 3.
Big forearm.
From behind. Back suplex.
And the cover for the win.
I think so.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
Suplex brings them down.
Inverted DDT.
Lights out.
Being tossed with a back suplex. Gets out of it with a well-placed knee to the face.
It's deep, and I don't think it's playable.
And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one. And they just busted out an impactful maneuver.
Any one of these.
Here's the cover for the win. Guys, he put him away. That's a pretty big win.
Here are your winners, the Outsiders.
An emphatic victory for your winners. An impressive effort from this duo.
It's always great to visit the pay window, but a victory like this makes the winner's purse all that much sweeter.